In this video, you'll learn how to change the appearance in Where Winds Meet. So if you want to customize how your character currently looks like, whether it's changing the outfit, changing the hairstyle, or even just changing how your weapons look like, then all you need to do is simply bring up the menu and then select Appearance. From here, you can see the different items that you can add to your appearance. So for example, if you want to add a mask, you can go ahead and put it on. If you want to add a decoration to the back, to your head, or even to the background, you can go ahead and do that as well. If you want to change how your clothes look like, go to the clothes section, and then you can choose the current outfit that you would prefer to use. You can see some of these outfits are not available, and this is because they've not yet been unlocked or been purchased. So if you go ahead and purchase that specific outfit, then you'll be able to wear it and you'll be able to use it. Some outfits do allow you to dye them, but this is only if you see this color rainbow icon on it. If you don't see this rainbow icon, it means that you can't dye the outfit. If you do, it means that you can. And once you've selected the appearance that you would like to use, you can now go ahead and just exit back, and you can see the changes have been successfully applied to your character. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.